Alright, so me and my sisters are going to be rating snacks. We're going to be doing it on 2 different phones, my phone and her phone, because she has access to that channel. So yeah,
Bye.
shut up. Step aside. Alright, so first we got hot fries. Get back here, big back. Alright, whatever. We don't need her. Alright. And next we got a big fat a pile of Lay's or bag. Stella, which one do you want to try first?
That one.
This one? Okay. We're going to be trying the Lay's first. Yeah. And you guys, I have freaking proof that I'm doing it on another phone. The heck? Anyway. Alright, so I already don't like this already. Here. Show your face, big bag. Show your face. It's good, right? Alright, so what do you guys rate it? One out of 10. Alright. Rate it 1 out of 10. How much?
1.
1? Okay. How about you?
1.
1? Yeah. Nobody likes these. You keep them. Keep it.
Okay.
I'm feeling pretty good about the hot fries, so. Do you like spicy? Now you ask for spicy all the time, but then you say, no, I don't want it.